What do you do when you see DC2 tog written in a pattern? Don't know? Well, it's all about how we shape our work and how you decrease 2 double crochets together. Let me show you how. Okay, let's just have a look first of all at a double crochet stitch. I'm sure you're all very familiar with this. This is a double crochet in US terms, which is a treble in UK terms. But we take the yarn over the hook, go into the stitch and pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull back through 2, yarn over and pull back through the second 2. So that creates our double crochet stitch. Now, if you see in a pattern that you need to decrease by joining these 2 stitches together or any double crochet together, it will appear as DC2 tog or TR2 tog. This is how you work 2 double crochets together, which is a double crochet decrease. So yarn over, work into the first stitch, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on the hook. So yarn over and pull through 2. Then we're going straight into the second stitch. Yarn over into the second stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. So we're now going to do a yarn over and pull through all 3. So you can see that you've got both stitches are now joined together into one. That's a double crochet decrease. Let's just do one more of those. Yarn over into the stitch and pull up a loop, and we do yarn over, pull through 2, and then we do the same into this stitch, yarn over into the stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and now yarn over, pull through all 3. And now you can see, if you look at that swatch, if I pull that up a bit. So if you look at this swatch now, these are just doubles on their own. And these 2 here are double decreases. So there are 2 stitches that are decreased into 1. So if you need to decrease along a row, that's how you do it. So now you've learnt the double crochet decrease. What other stitches confuse you in a crochet pattern? Tell me in the comments, and if there's anything we can help you with, we'll make a video. So don't forget, you can learn loads of new stitches on our channel. Just click the video and have a look.